Fix controller/gamepad not working in Subnautica 2. 1. Restart your PC and controller. Disconnect the controller from your PC. Restart your computer completely. Reconnect the controller before launching the game. 2. Check controller connection. Use a wired USB connection if possible. Try another USB port on your PC. Avoid faulty cables or weak Bluetooth connections. 3. Enable Steam input. Open Steam library. Right-click Subnautica 2, Properties, Controller. Enable Steam input for your controller type. 4. Test the controller in Windows. Press Windows R, type joy.cpl, and press Enter. Check if all controller buttons respond correctly. 5. Disconnect other input devices. Unplug extra controllers, steering wheels, or joysticks. Disconnect unused USB devices temporarily. Leave only one controller connected. 6. Update controller drivers. Open Device Manager. Update Xbox, PlayStation, or generic controller drivers. Restart your PC after updating. 7. Disable overlay applications. Turn off Steam overlay and Discord overlay. Close DS4 Windows, Reway SD, or Controller Mapper apps. Relaunch the game afterward. 8. Run the game as administrator. Right-click Subnautica 2 shortcut. Select Run as administrator. Also run Steam as administrator. 9. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Subnautica 2 Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 10. Reset in-game controller settings. Open Subnautica 2 Settings menu. Restore controller settings to default. Restart the game and test the gamepad again.